friends, if you have installed an automation system or a security system in your home or office, ideally you would want to get notified in case if there's an event happening, like some fire or some smoke from your kitchen, or there is some kind of intrusion in your office. You would like to be getting notifications from the system. So that's the whole purpose of going for a security system, and of course there's a for the automation system also. So in that case, there is a lot of ways to get notified. Today, from there is a traditional dialer based GSM dialer based system to a lot more advanced systems. So that's what we are going to be discussing today. Do subscribe because it motivates me to make a lot more videos. There are three types of notifications that we can get from our security system or an automation system. That is push, call, and SMS. Push notifications is what we get when you make a purchase on Amazon. Similarly, you can get such push notifications from your automation system also. This is usually provided by the automation system provider itself. It can also be interactive. It is usually better if you stick to these notifications for non-critical applications, like for example to inform you that you have been on the PlayStation for more than 2 hours, would you like to stop? I suggest this for non-critical applications because number one, there is dependency on Google and Apple servers. Number two, you must have internet on your mobile to receive them. If you are vacationing somewhere, there's a lot of possibility of not having the mobile data all the time. Then the next type of notification is the call and SMS. For both of these purposes, we can use a GSM auto dialer. This is the traditional option for so many years in fire panels, intrusion alarm systems, etc. The GSM auto dialer is a device where you fit in the SIM, then you configure the numbers that need to be called or texted in case of an emergency. It's connected to the automation system using dry contact NONC outputs. Some prominent brand names for GSM dialers are Falcon, Defender, Securico. The pro or the positive for this kind of a system is it is damn simple to set it up. The cons would be the options are limited. For calling, you can have 3 phone numbers or even 5 phone numbers. It depends upon the manufacturer you're getting the device from. You must pre-record the messages for calls, like for example fire at XYZ company lobby, etc. This is also limited numbers. For example, in case of a big company, there'll be a lot of security people that want to be notified. This can't be done except for those 3 or 5 phone numbers in round robin fashion. That is, if number 1 is called, if it is not picked up, then number 2 is called. So next con is if there are many sensors around your house, say 20 to 30 sensors, you can have only limited number of templates or pre-recorded messages. You can't exactly point out which sensor was triggered. The next biggest con in my mind would be it is the jammers. Typically, GSM dialers work on 3G SIMs. Intruders these days even use GSM jammers. So the call or SMS would not be sent out at all. These are simple devices. These devices would be in the price range of about 4,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. You can get one off the Amazon also. I have given some links in the description. You can check it out. Okay, the next one. The newest and most versatile method to get these notifications would be IP based SMS and voice calls. If your automation system or your fire panel supports sending HTTP messages, then you can use this. Many automation systems in the market, they support this. There are many service providers in the market for this. There is no need to install any physical device in your premises. All you require is that the automation system must have the broadband or fiber internet. You can connect with the IP call service provider, then you get credits, you buy credits from them. Usually it costs about 50 paise per SMS or call. Then they will give you the username and password and also the command format to use their system. You can configure them in your automation system. The beauty is you can configure any number of voices, any number of phone numbers can also be called or texted. Complete customization is allowed. All calls are sent out simultaneously. So if you want all of your 15 security people to be alerted in one go, you can do that. All 15 of them will receive them at the same instant, either call or SMS. This solution is totally jammer proof, so you don't have to recharge monthly. You can buy the credits as per your usage. You can use this for not just fire or intrusion. You can use it even for regular events also, like to inform the maintenance person about water tank being full and to switch off the motor, etc., etc. Here from my Fibaro automation system, I'm triggering a scene that sends an IP SMS. We got the SMS here, so it's that fast and real time. The same case for calls also. You can call n numbers of phone numbers anytime. So these are the three types of notifications, and these are the different ways to go about implementing them in your security or your automation system. Hope you found this useful. Do subscribe. Thank you.